Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about flu vaccination. So we are going to talk about flu. So what is the difference between COVID-19 and flu, and why it is so important at this point of time to take flu vaccination. Yeah, let's begin with it. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Women Health Facts. In this channel you'll get tips regarding pregnancy, fertility and anything and everything concerning women's health. So in this topic we are going to talk about flu vaccination, why it is very important at this point to take flu vaccination, and if you have flu and if you happen to have COVID-19, what are the symptom differences, or is there any difference, or what are the similarities between COVID-19 and flu. So flu and COVID-19 are both, viral infections. COVID-19 is caused by a virus called SARS-CoV-2, and flu is caused by a virus, influenza virus, which keeps changing its strains, each year. Yeah. So flu or influenza is not a new thing. COVID is definitely a new thing which has been affecting the mankind for the past 1 year. So as of now, there are around more than 9,65,000 and plus deaths because of COVID-19, and each year there are around 2.5 to 4 to 5 lakh people who die because of influenza virus 2. Okay, just because nobody talks about influenza, that doesn't mean it is not there. People are getting affected by it. People do get affected by influenza. Yeah, so it's very important at this point of the time to think what we can do to protect ourselves from the flu or the influenza infection. And when it comes to symptoms between the COVID-19 and the flu, there are no major differences. Okay, as a normal person, as a general population, it will be very difficult for us to know just by the symptoms whether you have COVID infection or whether you have flu. So either of the things, you should keep yourself distance from the others, and both are transmitted by talking, sneezing or through the droplets, and both are mode of spread for both the diseases are the same. When it comes to symptoms, the fever, sore throat, runny nose, cough, cold, and a shortness of breath, all these things are seen both in flu and in the COVID-19 as well. So the only way to definitely know whether this person is affected with flu or COVID-19 is by doing a laboratory test, which is available to test for both COVID-19 and the flu. So if you experience any of these symptoms, it will be a wise on yourself to go and meet your doctor to get yourself checked whether you have COVID-19 or you have influenza. Yeah, so because influenza is more, it will affect the younger population more. It is rather more important at this point to get checked whether you have influenza or whether you have COVID-19. So my main intention of this talk was to create awareness about the flu vaccination. So the flu season is around every year at this point of the time. World sees a spike in the influenza cases. So if you are at risk of getting this influenza, if you are not at risk, if you are at this point of the time where world is already fighting a pandemic, we are in between, in the middle of the pandemic, we don't want ourselves to be facing another epidemic or something like that with influenza. So because influenza is having a vaccination available which is time tested, and each year there are different strains of influenza viruses which is affecting the mankind. So this year also there might be cases of influenza. So to protect ourselves from that, it's advisable to take the flu vaccination. So just go meet your doctor and get the vaccination done. If you are pregnant, all the more it is important to get vaccinated for flu. If you're if you're breastfeeding, or if you're in whatever age group you are in, if you are more than 6 months of age, any person can get flu vaccination. So if you have any doubts regarding that, anyways, you have to go meet a doctor to get the vaccination. So you should be under a medical supervision only, but make it a point you get your vaccination. A more important or never a more sensitive time for us to take a flu vaccination. So please do take it, yeah, and protect yourself from getting influenza infection. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and drink plenty of water and stay healthy. Bye bye.